Hello everyone, this is the ICOOH Andy. Today we are coming here. Here have the two brake discs. The first is the 2 pieces brake disc and next is the 1 pieces brake disc. And this is the 1 pieces brake disc. You can see there. It's used the casting materials and it's with the 1 pieces with mold, which has the high quality stability and the length change of the shaking. The 2 pieces brake disc is developed on the basis of the 1 pieces brake disc. The core is this. The center cage is made by the aluminum alloy such as the 6061 aviation aluminum, and it used the screw connect the brake disc and the center cage, which one is can improve your car braking performance. The 2 pieces brake discs have a lot of advantage. The first one is the heat dissipation performance. The aluminum alloy center cage part of the 2 pieces brake disc have the good heat dissipation performance, which helps to quickly dissipate heat, reduce the thermal alternations, and improve the stability of the braking performance. The number 2 is the strength. Because the center cage is used the aluminum alloy center cage 6061, it can lengthen the weight and provide the excellent strength. It's good for the high performance cars using. And number 3 is the weight. Because as we know, the 2 pieces brake disc with the center cage aluminum, right? And the 1 pieces brake disc is the steel brake disc, so the weight is different. And the 2 pieces brake disc is more lighter than the 1 pieces brake disc, so the performance is more better. The 2 pieces brake disc is more suitable for the high performance cars and the racing car because it have the more lightweight and the high strength and have the high heat dissipation performance. And the 1 pieces brake disc is suitable for the normal cars because the price is cheap and it's easy to the maintain. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is the 1 pieces brake disc and the 2 pieces brake disc information. If you want to know more information, please contact our website. Okay, thank you so much. See you next time.